Hello everyone, I'm Andre from Kidscode. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a teacher account and how to start using our platform properly. So, let's begin. The first thing to do is to go to kidscode.com and then click the registration button. Complete the following form and make sure you have a valid email address. If you don't, start by creating one because we're going to send you a registration email to your address once you've finished filling the registration form. For the moment, I cannot select any of these profiles because I have to complete my registration first. The school account is for teachers who wish to use Kidscode in schools with their students. The home account is for students or teachers who also want to use Kidscode at home and play with friends. Just bear in mind that a home user has the same rights and privileges as a teacher in school, meaning they can create, modify, and share any Kidscode world on our platform. A student account is more restrictive. They can only complete the exercises and most of the time they won't be able to place or break blocks except inside specific areas of the game. Now go to your inbox and open the email from Kidscode. If it's not there, either wait for a couple of minutes or check your spam folder. You can still go back anytime on our website and ask for the email to be sent to you again. And as you can see, there's a discount code you can use until the 31st of August 2018, which gives you complete access to our platform. We'll talk about this in a few minutes. Now that we have confirmed our registration link, let's select the school account. I can either create a new school or select an already existing one. If you pick up the latter, you'll be prompted with a search bar for you to find the school you're looking for. Let's say a colleague of yours has already registered on Kidscode. Well, with this option you can find them and send a friend request so you can collaborate to create new worlds and exercises. But for this video, I'm going to create my own school. So make sure you fill this form with real information. It's easier for your friends or colleagues to find you afterwards. Now that I have my school, I need to create a class. So hit the Add button and start by giving a name to your classroom. Let's just call this my first class. Then select the average age of your students, and as you can see, we're not interested in knowing any personal information regarding your students. Then you can import a CSV or Excel file with the list of your students in it. And once again, if you don't want your students' real names to appear on our website, you can create an Excel file with nicknames and upload it right here. Make sure you read all the information regarding the creation and modification of a student account. A student can change their password, for instance, but ultimately, it is the teacher that has control over their profile and can change it again if necessary. And once you're finished reading all this, click the Confirm button. So, we have a school, we have a class, now we need students. Open your classroom, then hit the Add Student button. Here, you can manually create each student. But just bear in mind that their ID will be identical to their password for the time being. It can be changed later either by the student or the teacher. So I've created two different students, and for the moment they can only have access to the tutorial world and a couple more maps. So let's see what we need to do in order for my students to get full access to the platform. Click the Subscribe to Kidscode button, and right here you have two different plans. Free land is available to any registered Kidscode user, and School appears here because we've selected the teacher profile at the beginning. A school account for any of your students costs €3.99 per year and per student, and this price can be converted to your local currency. Click the Purchase a License button, and here you have to buy at least 5 premium accounts for the school plan to work. Click Next, and now you can add a discount code. Until the 31st of August 2018, type in Kids Street in capital letters to activate a 100% discount on any premium account. Now that we have 5 premium accounts, let's assign them to our students. Go to your class, then click the Assign Membership button and tick every student you want to give a premium account to. Click the Register button once you're done, and that's it. You and your students are ready to use our game. The final steps are here. Click the Download button and choose your platform. For the moment, you can use Kidscode on PC or Mac. A Linux version is on its way. Download the client, and when you click the installer, you might be prompted with a message similar to this one. Don't panic, it's certainly not a virus. Just click the More Information button, then choose Launch anyway. Follow the installation steps, and it shouldn't take you more than 1 minute to complete everything. Once Kidscode is installed on your system, double-click the icon on the desktop and log in with your username and password. Make sure you select the right language first and choose multiplayer when you want to play alone as a teacher or with your students. In the next window, select the Students tab and tick the box associated with the classroom you want to use for this session. Then go to the Worlds tab, and as you can see, all worlds are unlocked. We advise you to start with the tutorial world if you're not familiar with the sandbox type of games. Download the world you want to play on, and it shouldn't take you more than 10 seconds if you have a fast internet connection. Then create a new save and launch a session. A message will provide you with useful information that you have to share with your students. When a student will try to join your local session, they will have to type in the IP address and the port that you can see right here. And that's it. From now on, just follow the in-game instructions to learn how to use our worlds. Well, I hope this video was useful to you. Join our educational platform now and start playing on our worlds, or try to create your own, then share them with the Kidscode community. And if you want to learn more about Kidscode, make sure you watch our other tutorials. They cover pretty much every aspect of the game. Thanks a lot for watching this tutorial. Stay creative and see you soon on Kidscode.